Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Soph X Makeup Revolution palette. So please keep on watching. So first let's start with the outer packaging. This is how it looks like. It's more like a rose gold with kind of an embossed writing over here. It has about 24 shades in it, which it does mention the shades over here, and the price of this is $15, which if you shop from Ulta, then you can get it for I think $3 less if you have the coupon, like $3 coupon. You can find that anywhere. Just Google it and you'll find them. And let's move on to the actual palette. So this is how the palette is, but it's actually very similar to the Emily Edit palette, and then it has on the back listing all the ingredients. And it is cruelty free and vegan. Next, I'm going to move on to the inside of the palette. This is how the inside of the palette looks like, and this is just a card. Now I have swatched a few shades over here. It looks beautiful and I love it. Gorgeous palette. And it also has a mirror, like a big mirror, which is amazing. I will, if you want, swatch this on my Instagram so you guys know how it actually looks like. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. So I'm going to just use all the shades and try and use as many shades as I can, and then I can give you my thoughts about this palette and if it's worth the money. Even if it's $15, I do want to give you like a fair opinion about whether I like it and if it's even worth the money. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start with this very kind of nude shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now this is a shade that I'm basically using to kind of set my concealer. Then I'm taking this brown shade and I'm going to put that in my crease and kind of blend it in windshield wiper motion. There is nothing new in this. You guys see me doing this in pretty much every video. Then I'm going to take this peachy kind of shade and put that in my outer corner and then bring it in my crease as well and kind of blend it in again in a windshield wiper motion. I'm basically just going to be putting it in my outer corner. Taking this reddish brown kind of dark shade, I'm going to again put that in my outer corner and then blend that in. Then I'm going to take the black shade and put that in my outer corner, again bring that in. Now make sure that when you use this black shade you kind of dust off the excess, otherwise it's just not going to blend in. I had a little bit trouble blending it in. It was not the perfect black shade. And then I'm going to take that purple shade and I'm going to put that in my lid, basically on the mobile part of my lid. I did use the Morphe setting spray, kind of spritz it, and then to kind of intensify this shimmer shade, I put that on my lid. Then taking that nude shade, I'm going to put it above my crease. Basically, I'm trying to blend off all the harsh edges that we have, so it's very smooth and there are no harsh edges. And then I'm going to take this again dark reddish brown brickish shade and put that in my lower lash line and blend it in. Then I'm going to go back into that peach shade and again smoke the lower lash line. So again, it's not very harsh and you want it to be very smooth. Okay guys, so this is how my final look looks like. Let me give you my thoughts about this palette. Now I use this metallic shade over here, 5 or 6 matte shades, and it really blended out very well. I am actually very surprised because after the Subculture palette dupe, I was not expecting the Makeup Revolution palettes to do good at all, but the Emily Edit palette worked very well for me, and this palette worked very well as well. Now let me show you a comparison of the Emily Edit palette. You can see that there are a lot of similarities over here, like the purple shade, that is the Laugh Cry shade, is very similar to the corner peachy shade there. Then you can see that the purple shade as well is more like has a mix of these tones right here. Then you can see this green shade is very similar to this green shade. This shade is similar to this shade right here. So there are a lot of similarities in the palette, but If you are a makeup junkie, then definitely go for this palette. It is a very good palette. The shades blend out very seamlessly. I didn't have trouble, as you could see. I really like this palette. As a makeup junkie, I would definitely recommend you to buy this palette. I will have all the swatches posted on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. Overall, this palette has all the shades that you need. Like for example, if you want to create like a matte look, just use like these shades and you're good to go. The fact that this has a lot of matte shades is very good, because you have a lot of shades that you can use it in the crease and in the outer corner to blend out. So it's a very versatile palette, I would say. They also do have a big mirror, which is amazing, because sometimes you don't want to carry just a mirror along with you, and the fact that it comes with a mirror is very good. And it's just $15. Like, that's with coupon, I would say like $12 or $13, which is a steal. Overall, this is an amazing palette. I also have the Soph X Extra Spice palette, and I will again do another review about it. Let me know if you want to see more Instagram videos using this palette, so I can specifically do it for Instagram. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. Let's try and reach 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal before the end of this year. It's barely few days left, so please help me reach 1,000 subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.